Okay, now that we've got our form made up, I'll just show you how to make exactly the same thing with the query. So here's our query, and we're going to make a report this time. So same task. Instead of going to Form Wizard, we go to Report Wizard, strangely enough. Again, you can do it with tables or the query. I want everything there. Yes, it'll look a bit like that. You can actually sort it and put things in front of each other, and they get more complex than that. You can order them somehow, so you might have the dearest ones at the top or the bottom, but we'll just go alphabetical on their product name. Again, tabular is probably the best way to go because we want everything, we can see it all at once. You can make it landscape if you want, if your data makes you do that. Hit next. There we go, we're happy with that. And that is basically in a format that we can now print. Again, you don't want to actually print that, so what you're going to do is you close the print view and then you can get in and edit the thing. So a bit like before, I want to call that product name. So you just need to tidy up a few little parts. So you would tidy that up again. It will do things like display when you actually print it, the date and time you printed it automatically in the footer. So remember, your footers are handy to have, and I'll show you those. You might also put your heading in the middle, and probably a query that shows products over $3 isn't that exciting, but at the same time is of some use. So remember, when you're in a certain area, the little greyed out bits up the top, so it's sort of a greeny colour, that's where all your options are. So if you want to change the array or the page setup, you can always do that down the track. Okay, finally you'll have a look at these and you'll see what it looks like, and that's about it.